Hi there, students. Annex. An annex, a countable noun, or a verb to annex as well. Let's see, I think the British spelling ends with an E and the American spelling with an X. Let's see, an annex, the first thing I think of is an extension to a main building. A building either next to or very close to the main building. So if you go through that door and across the courtyard, you will find the library annex, the added bit that was added afterwards. Very often a hotel can have an annex. You have the main building, and then they've got more rooms in another building or a part that was added on to it. So it's like a wing or an extension or an extra bit. Okay, so they built an annex for their grandmother to live in. Okay, so an extra building. Now, you can also use annex to talk about something added, something attached to the end of a document, something that's added at the end. It's a section at the end. So the annex includes all of the references used in the document. So it's like an appendix, an addition, a supplement, an attachment. Yeah, it's something that's added on to, particularly to the back, to the end of a document. And then we have the verb to annex. And the noun from that I think would be annexation. To annex is to take possession of an area of land, usually by force. So I think Russia at the moment is trying to occupy and annex parts of the eastern Ukraine. The United States annexed Texas. Effectively, they took it by force from the Mexicans and then kept it. Yeah, they joined it made it part of the United States. Okay, so to annex, to join a piece of land or a piece of territory, better than a piece of land, into a country. Let's see, you could have urban or municipal annexation, is where an area is incorporated into a city. So originally this area was a different village, but as the area has grown, it's all part of the same place and it's annexed, it's officially made part of the city. Okay, and that's the idea of annexation. Normally when a country or a state takes territory and annexes it, this is actually illegal. The forcible acquisition of territory belonging to a state by another, usually after military occupation. And according to international law, that's illegal. Okay, so to annex as a verb, to take by force, to take possession and add it to your larger area, to your land, yeah, to your country. Okay, so annex, an additional building next to or joining the main building, an addition to a report or a document. There are lists of the people who collaborated with this document in the annex. Their names are provided in the annex, the attached document to this. And then to annex, to take possession of an area of land and add it to your country. Yeah. So I'm going to have that piece of land, send my soldiers in, and that's part of my country now. Yeah. And if you don't like it, then just try and push me out. So let's see, formality. The additional building, the annex, 5 in formality, use it anywhere. The annex to a document, 6.5 in formality. I wouldn't use it informally. I think you could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation. This is something talking about reports and things like that. And then to annex a piece of land, to annex a country, annexation. I think probably this again, 6.5 informality. I wouldn't use it informally. I think I'd probably just to say to invade, to take over informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation or above. And then as to origin, okay, let's see, there's an old French verb annexer, to join, which comes from Latin annecto, to bind, ad necto, to bind to, add to, bind to tie. So to tie to add one thing to another. And then the appendix word actually has a slightly different origin. It comes from the verb annecto, to attach. So this document is an annex that contains supplementary information. Okay, so a slightly different route. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Annex. Annexation.